Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Renasamo Vlogs. Today I am going to make a very tasty recipe which is potato vada or batata patties. We need 1 tablespoon of mustard seed, 1 tablespoon of cumin seed, coriander leaves, chaat masala, curry leaves which are chopped, 7 to 8 potatoes. Add 3 to 4 spoon of oil and add cumin seed and mustard seed firstly. Now add curry leaves. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of chili paste, green chili paste, now add the boiled potatoes and 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix it well. I have used A1 chaat masala, 1 tablespoon. Mix well, and after some time you will add 5 to 6 spoon of water. Cook for some time on medium flame. After it is done, we will add coriander leaves. Now off the flame and keep it aside for some time. After it is a bit cooled down, you can make balls into mini or large shape, medium size. This is a perfect size of it. I am going to make all of them and I'll fry some and freeze rest of them. Okay, I have make all the balls. Baking powder and salt. I have already prepared the besan and water. Add pinch of baking powder and salt, 1 tablespoon. Adding baking powder will make the balls fluffy, soft and crispy. This is how we are going to dip the balls in besan and then fry it in deep oil. Keep the flame on medium. Cook on slow so that it gets crispy. This is the perfect color of it, golden brown. We will remove it in a serving plate. Now eat it with ketchup. This is how it is from inside. Very tasty, crispy, soft and delicious. Do try out. Thank you for watching my recipe. Subscribe for more videos.